to the Kenyan government for integration of 400,000 refugees. This is a statement that the nominated senator pursuant to the House Standing Order 53-1 on request for statements from standing committees. Of course, we'll be asking, and the standing committee is the Standing Committee on Finance and Budget. This is regarding an allocation of 156 billion given by the World Bank to the Kenyan government for the integration of 400,000 refugees. Also, the Senator for Mombasa County, Honorable Haji Faki, will be seeking a statement from the Standing Committee on Land, Environment and Natural Resources concerning land issues in the coastal counties. The Senator for Mombasa County, Haji Faki, will be seeking a statement from the Standing Committee on Land, Environment and Natural Resources concerning land issues in the coastal counties. Of course, this as provided for in the House Standing Order number 53-1 for members to be able to seek for statements from standing committees of the House. Also, Standing Order number 57-1. This one provides for that the Senate Majority Leader will be issuing a statement on the business of the Senate for the week commencing Tuesday, 2nd July, the year 2024. That is the second phase, if I could call it so, of the quorum bell. The first 10 minutes lapsed. This is the second 10 minute, but once this round lapses, then the Speaker will, as provided for in the House Standing Order, adjourn the House until the next sitting. We are waiting to see if the House can achieve 15 members or a quorum of 15 members as required at the commencement of a sitting. If it does not achieve, then the House will be adjourned. Remember, the senators have just resumed from a 3-week recess, this being their first week after the resumption. And there is a full entry in their business. So the members are expected to make their way to the chambers. But if that quorum is not achieved, then that House, or rather the sitting, will adjourn until the next one. The Senator, Honorable Fatuma Dulo, will be moving a notice of motion on the stoppage of funds to Isiolo County due to the failure by the governor to honor Senate summons or other summonses. This is a motion, a notice of motion that the Isiolo Senator Honorable Fatuma Dulo will be seeking to move this afternoon. For the governor of Isiolo, or rather for the funds to Isiolo to be stopped due to the failure by the governor to honor summons by the Senate or given to him by the Senate. The senator, after presenting her notice of motion, will be seeking to have the House resolve that the Controller of Budget should not authorize any withdrawal of public funds by the county governor of Isiolo until the governor has responded to the issues raised in the summons to the satisfaction of the Senate. The member will also be seeking the House to resolve that the National Treasury, pursuant to Article 225 of the Constitution, the Speaker is addressing the House. Let's listen in.
Please. Honorable Senators, please be upstanding. There being no quorum and having rung the bell pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 42, the Senate stands adjourned until Tuesday, the 2nd of July 2024 at 2:30 p.m. Thank you.